Kia ora, welcome to Waste Some Time with Maggie. I've come on to do another 10-minute collage, and so I'm all organised, got my phone, got my glue, so let's start. Just move it out of the road, and got some bits of paper here, and just start gluing down like normal, see how we go. I've got some book page here out of various books, just scraps that need to be used up. Upside down, it doesn't really matter one way or the other. Right. Just get some more. Cover the page with what we've got. Right, what else have we got here? Let go there. I need a bit more of something, don't I? Right, let's see if we've got a little bit more somewhere here. We got here a little bit of something, and go there. Put that down there. Right. Glue that bit down here. I'll just trim these bits off. Right. And this bit. I don't think I've got enough lights on. Hopefully that'll help. It'll certainly help me. Oh, please excuse my cough. Right, a little bit there that needs to be re-glued down by the look of it, or just not pushed down. I think it's just not being pushed down. Right, okay, we've done that. Put a bit of this down. It's been a funny sort of a day today. Haven't really done a lot today. Right. My daughter and granddaughter came to dinner tonight. And they're off down to Dunedin in the South Island to visit their child and sibling. Right, now what am I going to do? Some little bits of... Oh, 5 minutes to go already. little bits of this left. I might just cut a bit of that off. I'll put that down. Right, put that there. Another bit here. Put that down there. Oops. It's been a cold day or a hot day today. It's just been a also ran sort of a day, but it's supposed to be wet tomorrow. Right. Now, put a bit of something here. Might put that down the side. It makes it look like a bit of a garden, doesn't it? Put that down there. I like that. Alright, what else have I got here? Postcard. Might just take a bit of that off there. Put that down. Oh, excuse me. Right, we're off for our flu injections in the morning. Because it's certainly getting to that time of the year. Right, put that there. I've got another little label thing here. A green stamp. Put those there. That. Right. What am I going to do? Looks like a bit of a butterfly, that, doesn't it? We need that. 2 minutes. What else have I got? A bit of that down. Don't know why. Just to add, because I have it here. Just that bit off there. That bit there. Right, now I have a bird here somewhere. Oh, there it is. There it is, and this is a bit of card by the look of it. I think these are called hummingbirds. I don't think that is going to work very well. Right, let's see, can we get anything out of there? No, we can't. Right, this is what we want, this one. Right. Swoosh that around. Swoosh that around. Let's have hummingbirds feed out of flowers, don't they? That's what they do. So we'll just put that there like that. Right. Doesn't look too bad. I'll use this last bit of brick wall here, I think. Where will we put that? There. Why not? Right. I think That is just about it. What have we got? 15 seconds to go. Right. There's our little scribbly border done. And along here. Did I just scribble on that? Oh no. That's it. Right, now let me find a little brush. A little water brush here somewhere. Right. And across the top here. Like that. Right, now we just want to write her name. Megs. And the date today is the... What date is it? Can't quite see it. Is it the 18th? I believe it might be the 18th today. The 18th of the 4th, 24. Right, that is my 10-minute collage for this week. Doesn't look too bad. Oops. So thank you for being with me. Kia kaha, stay strong, and I'll catch you again soon.